and here we go.
And we left to go to the airport. You guys, this video deserves a voiceover because I had a gut feeling that something's gonna go wrong, and I was right. I was very concerned about this airport. We never flew from this airport ever, and I was right. They kept on delaying our flight an hour, 2 hours back, and I needed to be in Florida the next day for meetup. I was stressed out, so they delayed our flight until 6 a.m. We were supposed to leave at 11 p.m. the previous day, so we left.
We finally made it to an airport. Hopefully our flight won't be delayed or canceled. It's official for us. 24 hours not sleeping. So running on reserves right now.
Thankfully, we made it on the plane. Everything was good, no delays or cancellations. Getting the car was another quest. It was another story. I don't want to remember that. So we packed ourselves in and went straight to the hotel.
Alrighty guys, after this whole ordeal with the plane, we're finally here. I refreshed myself a little bit. Now we are going to Balloons Place to check out the store and where I will be teaching tomorrow, and we're meeting up with another balloon artist, so stay tuned. We'll show you what we will be doing.
At this point we were tight on time, so we hurried up to get breakfast or slush brunch, and it was good. It was needed because we didn't eat since yesterday.
You guys, we found the place, Balloons Place. It looks so happy. Look at this. I'm so excited. Hi!
Upon arrival at the store, I partially met Balloons Place team. I met the rest of the team the next day. We talked about all the details in class and setup and what's gonna happen the next day.
Arriving right now to a French bakery to meet Miami Event Decor to install a beautiful installation on the ceiling at the cafe or at the bakery. I am very excited. This is why I have this bag with me.
We met Miami Event Decor and went straight to work inflating, and this is the ceiling that we'll be working with.
Ooh, and some are double stuffed, right? This is a beautiful, beautiful
just
color.
Yellow, that's just regular orange.
Uh-huh.
And this one, yes, this double stuff. So I used orange and actually this yellow.
Ah, okay. So basically orange inside of the yellow.
Yeah.
Gorgeous color. So you can see a difference between that yellow and this. Very, very pretty. So right in the middle, right mix of these two colors.
Start to do 2 rounds. You're gonna do neck to neck, okay? And I'm gonna do like, okay. And we're meeting the middle.
Alright, we'll connect it.
But
So you're doing neck to neck,
Yes, I do neck to neck.
no fish line.
No fishing line. I went through so many techniques. This is the technique that works for me.
All right.
Guys, so this is it. This is the wrap. This is what we've created. Thank you so much for having us. It's been a pleasure working with you, and
Thank you for coming.
yes, absolutely. Alrighty guys, subscribe, like, follow these guys. I'll tag them in the comment, not in the comment, in the description under this video. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Good morning, you guys. This is the day of the class. I'm all ready to teach. We're gonna go grab some breakfast and we're off to Balloons Place.
Time to learn, class in session, students are in, and I'm ready to share my knowledge with every single one who came to this class.
And you guys, that's a wrap. I don't know if I showed a lot on this camera, but that's a wrap. I am so grateful for every single student, for every single person that showed up to a Balloons Place, because it wouldn't be possible if that wouldn't be for a Balloons Place. It was a great time, great experience, great people, meeting great people. So we're going home. Bye. We are in our hotel. We ate, and I think I'm gonna be quiet for the rest of the day because my throat hurts. It was such an amazing time at the Balloons Place. Hopefully it's not the last class, and I am so grateful for every single person that attended the class. So yeah, we're gonna go get some sleep.